guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, after learning how to create our stairs, so let us now learn how to create a simple ramp. Okay, so in this quick video, so that is what we are, or that is what I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to show you how to create a ramp. Okay, so we are already almost done on our building. So I'm gonna open my level 1. This is where am I going to put the ramp. So let's say, for example, let's say I want to put it here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select the architecture tab, and then after that, let's look for the ramp. So from the circulation panel, you can see here the ramp. So just click that, and then after that, so just like when we created our stair, so we will be using the run option here, and then we'll be using the line tool. But before that, I'm gonna check out the properties here. So I'm gonna set first the base offset. So meaning to say from my current level, which is level 1, I want to specify the base offset, whether it be the base offset is below or above the level 1. So for this one, I'm just going to make it negative. Okay, so let's say, for example, minus 2 feet, minus 2 space, and then 6. So that means minus 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay, right. Okay, and then after that, so since I already specify here the base offset of this one, I'm gonna change here the top level. So I'm gonna put here level 1. Okay, so my base level is on level 1, but there's a base offset of minus 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay, and then there's the top level up to this level. Okay, and then you can actually change the other options here. So you can change the up text, down text, the label here, and then the width. Okay, so I'm just going to use the default here. Okay, and then let's start. So I'm gonna move my pointer somewhere here. I'm gonna click that, and then let's say up to, let me just make it 15 feet. Okay, so 15, enter, and then we will be moving here to this portion. Okay, so I'm going to pick, let's say, somewhere here, and then just move all the way here. Okay, so pick, there you go. Okay, so there's a 30 feet of inclined ramp created and 0 inches remaining, so that's good. So I'm now going to select here the check finish edit mode, and there you go. Okay, so note that, okay, so let me just click this down symbol. So I'm gonna hover my pointer, press tab until it highlights the text. So I click, okay, and then I'm just going to move it here. So it says that it's down here. Okay, down. Okay, so meaning from here. So this is up, going down. Okay, so if I check this one in the 3D view, so I click this and then select the selection box. So you will now see here your ramp. So as you can see here, it's the other way around. So the direction is wrong, but don't worry about that because you can always change that one. So for you to be able to change the direction of the ramp that you created, so what you need to do is you just need to go back again to your 3D view. Oh, I mean to the floor plan. So I'm going to select here my tile windows. The shortcut is WT. Okay, so I can see also the 3D here and then the floor plan here. So I'm going to select the ramp, and then if you look, take a look somewhere here, so there is a small arrow. So you can actually flip the stairs or the ramp up direction. Okay, so I'm going to click this and then take a look at the 3D here. I click, and you will now see what happens, right? So it's now flipped to the correct direction. Okay, so in plan view, so let's say I'll create here a section. So there's my section. So I create a section here. Okay, That's my section. So right click the section and then go to view. So there's now my ramp there. So there's my ramp. Okay, so I did created that from level 1, and then there's an offset of 2 feet by 6 inches. So to check that, I'm going to create a detail line. So select the annotate, just to show you the offset of 2 feet and 6 inches. So I'm going to select the detail line. So I'm going to pick here on level 1. I'm going to move that. I'll type 2 space 6, enter. Okay, right? So there you go. So there's the offset, right? Okay. So by the way, you can also change the type of your ramp here. So if I click this ramp, so I select the ramp, so I can go to the properties, and then I can go to the type properties. So these are the options that you can still change. You can change the maximum incline length, which is automatically computed, as well as the ramp maximum slope. But here, if you check out the construction, you can see the shape here. It says thick. So I'm going to change this to solid. So look what will happen on the ramp. So I click that and then OK. And see what happens? So it becomes solid now. See? And then there's the offset of 2 feet by 6 inches. 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay? And if you want to change the material of your ramp, so what you can do is you just need to select the ramp and then just go to the edit type properties. You can change the material here. So instead of concrete, you can click that button there and then you can select, let's say, precast. So I select the precast, concrete precast, OK, and then OK. And there you have it. Okay. All right. So basically, that's how you create your simple ramp. There you go. So there's our ramp. So hopefully you learned something from this quick video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.